If you guys remember in episode 1, we discovered I have 2 holes in the Civic, one underneath the seat mounting post and then just one in my floorboard. I've since then gotten a piece of sheet metal that we're going to attempt to use to just cover the 2. As long as it holds the rigidity underneath the seat, really that's all that matters. We can just cover the other hole. It's not like anyone's stepping behind my seat or anything like that. So the car is prepped. I've got it up as high as I can on all 4 jacks, and gonna pop the hood, get everything prepped, open up the door, and just clear out the space so that way we have room to work, because I don't know what everything's gonna look like, and I just want everything to go smooth. So I will see you guys when they get here and we start prepping. I ain't no welder, but I am coming through here and prepping this area. I know that the sound deadening definitely has to be cleared out of the way for what's gonna be welded and all that stuff. So obviously I can't go too much because I don't know what he's going to want to preserve and what not, but at least I can get this stuff out of the way and give him a clear space to be able to weld with. Alright, you hear the homie Cameron leaving. He's going to go get a second welding hood. We got the homies here. We have made our Home Depot trip. Got my sheet that I'm going to use to cover everything that's going on, this madness on the floor. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. Won't be too much talking for this one. I think we're just gonna roll in this cinematic edit, show you what's going on with the floor, explain what's going on. All right, give us a breakdown. What do we got here? What's going on?
So talking it over with Jay, looking at probably cutting out the floor, be going in front of this seat mount, probably coming out to like right here, cutting all the way back this way, butting it up with that part of the frame all the way down this way, replacing all that, trying to retain stock seat mount.
Let's get it. And QB roll. If you've watched to this point, I appreciate you guys. Remember, any support, like, comment, share, blah, blah, blah. You know all the fancy stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Seriously, I do appreciate it. We're going to be trying to drop these something every week. So, yep. I will catch y'all on the next one. Until then, Jay in the Hatch out. Peace.